man, what is poppin'? Real quick, man, I'm gonna do some vlogging today, all right? So, got some free time. I gotta go get my workout on. So y'all know what? Today's Sunday, man. Like I said, I'm gonna vlog a little bit today. I'm trying to stay out of mechanic mode, all right? I gotta do that 6 days a week. All right, today, I'm gonna chill out. Although I do have some mechanic things to do, I'm not sure I'm gonna do it from a video standpoint. But right now, I gotta go get a workout in, man. So I'm gonna vlog today. Let me tie some of this crap up on my head. And yeah, I'm at the house. I gotta get my workout on, man. Let me wear this. Should I wear this today? I don't know. I didn't wear it right. My daughter got on to me because I didn't put it on right. I got hair on the top and it just don't. I wear it the way I want to wear it, okay? You know what I'm saying? This is my head. All right, y'all, let's get it, man. Where my keys at? I need some shades. Not complete until I got the freaking shades on. Woo! Let's get it. All right, guys, let's go see what we can get done today, all right? Let's make today a productive day. All right, it's nothing like an unproductive day. All right, what's going on out here? Hey, beautiful day outside. Oh, if I had to guess, it feels good out here. If I had to guess, I would say about 65, maybe 70 degrees. Okay. Yes, man, what a lovely day it is today. Hey, look at my neighbor's house. Everybody cool. They all rake their leaves, everybody except me. So I need to get busy, don't I? All right, we're gonna jump in this junky work van. Guys, my truck, I have to do something with this truck. See, I said I wasn't gonna do nothing mechanical, right? I must have lied already. I brought this truck home to clean out stuff in the garage, right? See all this stuff going in the trash. Lo and behold, I get the damn thing here and it won't start now. So I suspected it was out of gas. So what I did was I went and got some gas. Oh, I just got new gutters, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let me show y'all we're gonna take a tour. Look, all of this house is fairly old. These gutters been on here since day one. And y'all know how mechanics are. They think they can fix anything. You know me, I do it myself. I got up there, lasted all but 30 minutes. So we had to make a phone call. Good thing we got it all at a decent price, so it looks nice now. All right, and plus these old gutters was coming apart, and squirrels was getting in there in the attic, living in my attic. All right, forget this. We gotta get this cleaned up. But my truck, I need my truck at work because I'm missing out on scrap. That's the whole point of this truck, right? Scrap metal. The fuel pump. I think the fuel pump not running. We'll diagnose this when I get back. Cause I gotta get there, but if I need a fuel pump, I'm not doing it right here, so I'll probably roll it down there. And no, we can't work on cars in here, so I'm gonna have to get it towed to the shop. I'm gonna try to bang on y'all know the trick, bang on the tank and see if you can get the pump working, just so I can drive it back to the shop. But I can't believe this stupid thing quit on me right here. Go figure, man. Anyway, let's do this, man. I'm gonna jump in this van right here. My Cherokee is gone. We going to get a workout in, all right? So, y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, real quick, man, let's go to the freaking gym, see what's popping. I think I'm going to do some freaking deadlifts today, all right? I'm in a deadlift mood today. And, I got a lot of stuff to do back at the house, guys. So, let's do this. Let's go head up to the gym. In fact, I want y'all to see my trip to the gym. All right, so let's do it like this. Hey, it's so much better, guys. So look, like I say, this neighborhood, man, well, I don't know if I said that before, but it's a nice neighborhood. No crime, so we're not worried about. Today, like I say, it's Sunday. I'm vlogging today. No big deal. Life is beautiful. I hope y'all having a beautiful Sunday. And whoa, slow down, buddy. This guy look like he want to hit me. Whoa, what's everybody doing? They think they can take this van. That's why I got to give me a nicer car. Well, it's hard to explain, guys. In other words, I'm an old country dude. Fancy new cars don't really do nothing for me. I'm at that age now to where, the nice fancy new stuff don't impress me. But because I'm in the public eye now, I understand that I have to do it. So I always said last year, the first of the year, that I will have to get a new car for business reasons. for business purposes, okay? I cannot be running a channel about cars and I appear to not be a car guy. You know what I'm saying? It's all about perception when you're dealing with stuff like this. So I'm forced to buy. I'm trying to hold out until the EV products come out. The Challengers and EV. I'm going to stick with the Dodge lineup, of course. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm going to stick with the Dodge lineup. However, I want to move forward with everybody else, okay? All right? Ain't no sense in going back. There's no sense getting a Challenger Hellcat right now. In fact, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to affect sales in any way by saying something crazy. So I won't. But however, because I know the future, I'm aware of what the future entails or what lies in the future, I might as well head that direction, get a jump start on that direction. If the future is EV, what sense does it make right now to get something? Again, I don't want to affect sales, so let me shut my big mouth. All right, so, but that's what I'm waiting on. I have no choice. I have to get a new car for business perceptions reason. My channel is a car channel, and I'm going forward with my channel from a repair standpoint, from a technical standpoint, as well as a, you know, just a general automotive standpoint. So it's imperative that I look, you know, as such. All right, yeah, it's like doing videos on houses and you live in a non-house, you live in a trailer home or something. No, that's a terrible example, but y'all know where I'm trying to go with this. So do I need gas? No, I don't need gas. I'm always on E, guys. Like I say, this is gonna be one of those boring vlogs that I tend to do on Sundays when I have some free time. So my Sunday consists of, just in case you're interested, no, I'm not freaking under a hood every freaking day, guys. Give me a break. I know the videos show shed a different light on JT. According to the videos, I talked to a guy this morning. He was like, man, you upload them videos like it ain't nothing. Like, guys, don't get it twisted, okay? I have a life outside of cars, all right? Videos that, because I was a videographer before I started videoing my car stuff, it is easy. Now, if you're a real decent, good mechanic and a terrible videographer, yeah, it's gonna appear flawed. So I guess I have the best of both worlds. I can easily make videos as well as easy perceive or come off as you know, a decent mechanic, right? I hope this coming out right, because y'all know I ain't editing much. I'm going straight from this camera to YouTube, whether you like it or not. Some people want to just hear me blabber, so blabbering it is. Where am I? I am now at the light. All right, so like I say, guys, and guys, I'm gonna tell you something else about me. All right, oh, it's a red light. I am a terrible mechanic when it comes to my own vehicle. If y'all could see my dash right now, see all the lights, warning lights on my dash, you would think less of me. So with that being known and said, I'm not gonna show you. All right, I'm just talking until I get to the gym, man. No mind, don't pay me no never mind. All right, but yeah, we almost at the gym, guys. And what is on today's menu? And I gotta go eat after I leave the gym. So the thinking goes, I'm gonna get a hard workout in, and then I'm gonna go carb backload with some serious carbs. I'm going to my favorite spot, M&J's. All right, yeah, I think they have dressing on the menu today. So you talk about some carbs. Dressing is nothing more than freaking cornbread. I just learned that, guys. I'm a grown man, and I'm just realizing what dressing is actually made from. A bunch of freaking cornbread. All these Thanksgiving, my parents tricked me into thinking dressing was something special. It is not. It is really not. So when I get through with this workout, I'm on an empty stomach now. I haven't eaten anything. So the thinking goes, I know, guys, I know this is a car channel, but it's pretty soon it's turning to halfway, because I'm going to change the channel. Not change it, but I'm going to call myself the Fit Mechanic. We talked about this earlier, guys. This is a brutal industry we're in as far as automotive, guys. Yeah, so got to maintain a level of sanity and fitness in order to go as long as you proceed or want to go. All right, Yeah, I mean, people shutting down at 40, 50 years old from working on cars because they can't handle it anymore from a physical standpoint as well as a mental standpoint. All right, I'm talking too damn much. I'm here at LA Fitness. We about to go get one in. All right. I'm not gonna be filming inside of here. Plus, there's nothing special about a couple of deadlifts here and there. All right. So yeah, when I finish this, I'm going to eat. Hey, look at that truck. That's about the same year as mine. I got a 93. Mine's red, lowrider. This is a blue one. I guarantee you that's a 93. Mine's bow-legged. Mine is still at work. Yeah, I got to bring that truck back to life. Guys, let's go in here, guys. All right, man. Let's get it, man. Ooh. Yeah, this truck. Got to be a 93. Where you at, Fluffy Mexicanic? Nissan hard body, baby. It's for your time, Fluffy. I don't think you was out back then. I don't even think you were born back then, Fluffy. My truck is a 93. That's got to be like a 94. Anyway. Yeah, we're going to go in here and see what's popping. They see your boy coming here. Everybody might get intimidated. You can hear all the shushes go. Shh. There go JT. That's that guy, JT, the car guy on YouTube. Let me go over there and see if I can get his autograph. Excuse me, I'm just trying to get a workout in. Look at your boy with his green on. All right, I gotta go, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna get this all right. Start up 315. Next one. Let's get it. I had enough, okay? Ooh, that deadlift took a lot out of me, guys. And then I did some more bench presses and lat pull down off camera. So, yeah, get your boy. Get my old physique back that I had, a year ago, 2 years ago, before COVID hit. Let me go see what they're working with over here. See, they ain't ready for me over here. Yeah, they ain't ready. Let me see if I can get next. Nah, y'all see what I got on? Nah, I didn't wear my Jordans, all right? So, but they lucky, boy. They better be glad. I mess around and hit a triple-double on their ass. Uh-oh, what do you got? Oh! Yeah, see, they clowning around. Had that been me, I'd have dunked on his ass. I'm telling you, boy, I would mess around and hit a triple-double on their ass. Let me get out of here. All right, I'm about to go eat, man. I thought maybe they was ready for me. They ain't ready for me. I ain't down with the treadmill. That thing right there, step or whatever you call it. Oh my goodness, a good 5 minutes and I'm gone. Let me go walk by this thing. Yeah, I don't know how tough, I don't care how tough you is. This Stairmaster will wipe your ass out in a good 2 minutes. I barely can get 5 minutes on it. I mean, you talk about, oh my goodness, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, no guys, it's not what this is about. Stay focused, JT, stay focused. Okay, yeah, let me get out of here. I got to stay focused, cause that ain't right. Oh my goodness, I forgot music playing in the background. That sounds like Linkin Park. Oh, Chester, big mouth ass. Oh, I hope Chester don't get my video demonetized. Oh, let me try to talk over Chester. Anyway, I'm done anyway, guys. So I'm out of here, man. Y'all hold tight. Or y'all, I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. I'm about to go give me something to eat later. Alrighty, guys. I'm winding this day down, but I cannot complete my day until I get some nourishments into my body. Okay, what the place I chose was this old country buffet. It's a mom and pop's country buffet place. some home cooked food, guys. Okay, yeah, no burgers and none of that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit down and chill out and take a load off. All right, just got a good workout in, getting prepared for a rough week ahead. Yes, I know it's gonna be a rough week, simply because I know what I have on my plate. All right, yes, quite a bit of work, but it's no big deal to me because this is what I do. And I love what I do. All right, guys, I gotta go ahead and get something to eat, man. Let's get it. Ooh, ready, guys. Ooh, y'all see that? I'm about to smash, okay? Yeah, this is the only thing I can eat on a Sunday, baby. Got me some sweet tea right here, carb backloading, so I just got through doing a heavy workout at the gym. Woo-hoo. We about to kill this, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Ooh, ready, guys. I am stuffed. I've had enough. Oh, I can't finish that little, that's dessert. I already ate all the food I'm gonna eat. Leave me a little tip. And I'm gonna creep on up out of here. I am stuffed, I'm full, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go home and prepare for my live stream. All right, see you. Yeah, go home and prepare for my live stream. Y'all know how we do on Sundays. We turn up. I ain't even sure what I'm gonna talk about, guys. I figured something out, okay? But automotive, man, it's a never-ending discussion stream of topics you can gather up and discuss. Okay, and I'm only on for like an hour, so and I spend the first 30 minutes discussing the topic or whatever I'm gonna discuss. I had to go over here. This is the body shop, guys. Let me show y'all something. This is the main street where I'm at. There's like at least 20 body shops and 30 shops on this one little strip. I play Troubleshooter. It's the automotive shop down here. They get pinned and stuck on stuff all the time. I can't even think of their name, but they got my number on speed dial. JT, I need you to come down here and check out this pinner start. They have things that's ticking, and now they pretty much know, because they have, you can just pull up a couple of videos and do what you need to do from there, or figure out what you need to figure out. But sometimes they need me to come in and directly read or figure some stuff, just called troubleshooting. Yeah, so from time to time I'm summoned down there to troubleshoot things. This body shop right here, they had a problem with a Grand Cherokee. It's kicking their butt. They didn't know what to do or what. Oh my goodness, it was a mess. And I got them up and running. There's a couple of shops down here. They're all up and down this strip. I'm considered a troubleshooter. Anytime they had stuck with a Dodge Ram. What the shop down here had that Ram 1500. I told this story on the live stream. They had like put 3 fuel pumps in it. Oh my goodness, that's a long story. We're not gonna do that. I'm not gonna put them on blast. However, it's a charge for me to come down there. They are aware of that, and they do not care. They will gladly pay that little fee. But guys, again, I'm done for the day. I'll see y'all tonight on the live stream at 8 o'clock. Eastern Standard Time. All right, we'll figure out what we're gonna talk about. If y'all got something y'all want to discuss, just let me know. We'll talk about that. All right, thanks for watching.